Right, so this is the new Powrtouch Evolution, and I thought I'd do a video on it because I'm starting to see a few issues with the mechanism of how you put the actual mover on. This is a manual version. Obviously, the auto version won't have this problem because it doesn't use this bar. Now, what we're seeing is, and for whatever reason, I'm not exactly sure what the reason is, we're seeing these bars being bent so that the actual location can't happen correctly. So you'll see the new one. It's kind of got two indents there, okay, and it will fit on the mover easily, and then you push it over and locate it in place like that. Okay, nice and straightforward. All right, and those indents kind of sit in that flat thing there. So take it off, over like that. Now, I have had a few customers come in and say that they can't get their mover on, and I've asked them to bring this bar in to have a look at it. Now, what's happening, I think, is it isn't being located correctly, not far enough in, and then it's being twisted over, and it kind of messes up these indents. You can see there that that indent has been pushed right out. Now, I think that's what's happened, is it hasn't been located correctly. It's been twisted when it's kind of half on, and then it's damaged this. So this is the culprit. It's not actually being able to be located correctly, so you can't get it on, and then you can't put the mover on. So it's not this bit, it's this bit here. Now you can hopefully in the video, you can kind of see the difference between the two, where that's been bent and this one is the new one. Okay. Now I thought you might be able to get a socket on it, but you can't. So the only way to actually remedy this is to buy a new one of these, which at the moment, I think you can get them online on the Powrtouch website, or I think you'll probably find that most accessory shops will do them, because generally if I see a problem, then other people will as well, and they're 15 quid off the shelf, and then that should remedy your problem. But make sure you push it right on before you twist it over. I think that is the key. If I found out any more, I'll let you know. Okay, but I just thought I'd mention that because I had a few people not understanding why it wasn't going on correctly and thinking it was an issue with the mover when it was just this. Okay, so there you go. Hopefully that may well solve the problem if you can't attach your mover onto your wheel.